Hi, today we're going to talk about rear lights on a Renault Megane 3, the Grandtour version. This one is the brake light. The side light has two bulbs, because the unit is divided in two parts. We have direction indicator light, fog light and reverse light. We'll start by removing the panel on the side of the trunk and one smaller cover. Now you can see the two bolts which you can undo by hand. On the side next to the place of the first bolt is a part which we need to push in order to pop the rear light out. When the light is loose, you can slightly pull it out and disconnect the cables connector. There are three clips holding the light bulb's housing. To take any of these bulbs out, simply push gently and turn it on the left, it will pop out. To put it back, also gently push it down and turn it on the right. When we're putting the unit back, we need to keep in mind that these two bolts fit in these holes. Don't forget to connect the wires beforehand. Let's check how we can do the same with the second part of the unit, which is located on the trunk door. There is a plastic cover on the inside of the door, which you can pop out with a screwdriver. Behind it is a single Torx TX20 screw. Now you can take the unit out. It's also fixated with two plastic tips, so do it gently and carefully. Here we have three bulbs. To take the bulb out, rotate it and pull it out. This one you can replace just by pulling it out. The other two can be replaced just as the ones on the first unit. And that is it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Feel free to leave a comment, and thanks for watching.